Oh, good morning. Hey, my name's Kyle. I'm on a journey to find balance among the 8 dimensions of wellness. Along the way, I hope to have fun, meet new friends, and share what I learn. Subscribe for new videos every Thursday. Good morning, people. Decided to go for a sunrise hike this morning. A little bit of a late start, but yeah, we're rolling with it. Pretty awesome sunrise. That's what I was going for right there. I think it's time to get a little bit higher. It's windy out here, but it sure is beautiful. Alright, update. Found myself a nice little nook skis. I think I'm shielded from the wind, at least a decent amount. We're gonna see when I'm editing this footage if we can even hear me, because it's quite windy up here. But here's a shot of what I'm working with. We got a nice tree. Alright, that was kind of out of focus, but it's a good spot. It's a good spot to talk for a second. Yeah, so this morning I decided to get up for a little sunrise hike just because I'd been spending a little too much time in the house, you know. Felt the need to get out in nature, and it's definitely a good decision. I think getting outside is something that I want to balance a little bit more into my weekly schedule, you know. I think it's really important. Kind of clears the mind, brings you back down to earth, you know. I think sometimes we get a little caught up in what's going on, but getting out in nature definitely helps kind of bring you back down to earth, and it's just very enjoyable. I don't think anyone ever regrets spending some time out in nature. So some ways that I'm gonna try to balance spending more time in nature into my weekly schedule going forward, and what I encourage my viewers to do as well is, one, like, take advantage of social times to go outside, you know, instead of getting drunk with friends or whatever, even though that's fun. Sometimes it's good to mix it up and like go on a hike instead. Another good thing to do is to just take advantage of a sunrise or a sunset. I know, at least for me, I usually don't have anything going on during sunrise or sunset, so it makes a great time to go spend some time in nature. Yeah, for those of you who have a workout routine and do cardio, you know, instead of doing something like hitting the treadmill in the gym, maybe like try to find a trail and go for a run there, or go for a hike, stuff like that, you know. If you live close enough to work or school, you can always try to like bike or walk to work or school as well. That's a great practical way to get outside more. Another way to get outside more is like take advantage of the weekends. Do some little weekend adventures, some little weekend trips. It's always so much fun, and it's always, you never regret it, you know? It just feels great. Feels great for the body, feels great for the soul. That's right. Well, yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to say for this video. Hope you enjoy some sweet nature shots. And yeah, you know, get outside when you can, because it's totally worth it. Woo! Doesn't get much better than this, let me tell you. Alright, we're back in the Danger Ranger. I would definitely call this morning a success, and you know, get outside, folks. You definitely won't regret it. But anyway, hope this video turns out well. It's a little windy up there, so hopefully the audio's good. Who knows? Still a beginner YouTuber here, but you know, we're working on it. We're learning. We're growing. Anyway, if you enjoyed today's video, please leave a comment and let's talk. You know, I would love to start a conversation with anyone who has made it to the end of this video. So you know, just say what's good. We can literally talk about anything. But yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next Thursday, hopefully.